start recycling our plastic douches starting right here, right now today. We can literally save the endangered Wowie grapefruit.
Wow! Teresa, you should listen to Oprah. What she says is very important.
I have a few.
Hello? Oh no! A puppy? You can't take care of it no more? The landlord wouldn't let you keep it? Pobrecito. Yes! You can live with me! I'll take good care of it! You can drop it off now! Get the ball! Get the ball! Oprah! 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 Why did you do that? You are so nasty! No! There! That takes care of that! Ooh, Oprah! You! There! You're not gonna until you learn! It's spelled! Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Hello? I have a dog can't keep. The landlord says I have to give away her ass.
Mom, if you give that dog away, I'm gonna kill you.
I can't take it anymore. It's driving me crazy. Yes, send him over right away.
Excuse me, ma'am. I'm here to take the dog away.
Finally, the filthy thing is right there.
I told you. Hi guys. I don't really want to kill my mom. That was just a joke. I really don't. Basically, I made this video because I don't like it when people spontaneously decide to get a pet and then they get rid of it just because they can't make the time to properly train it. I can understand if the owners financially or physically disabled and they just can't support it, but to me, it's just so irresponsible to get a pet and then just give it away because you don't want to train it. So for anybody who wants to get a cat or dog, remember there's cleanup involved, so make the time to house train them. And let me know in the comments what you have to say about this. Plus I do have a question. I want to know, what kind of videos do you prefer to watch from me? Do you like the videos where it's just the skit on its own, or do you like it when I comment at the end like this video? And also, if you can, please add me as a friend on Facebook. Link down there. And I'll see you guys soon. Thanks. Ah, thank you.
My goodness, dude.
It's recording.
You're scaring the shit out of me.
Mom didn't tell you I was in here? I just get right there.